whispers softly, what a lovely place. Coffee's aroma fills the air, warms my weary heart. Climbing to the rooftop, the mountain view so calm. The mountain speaks to me